Okay, so I bought a new shower head. Here it is. This is a new one. It's about like $29.85 US dollars. That's not including tax. Brush aluminum, I think. I removed the red electrical tape and then wire brushed the surrounding area to get rid of all the gunk, or the silicon buildup, or whatever that thing, calcium buildup, and then wrap the white electrical tape around it. Now I just need to install this thing and see how it goes. I'm probably gonna put some WD-40 on that thing and then twist this thing in. I hope this will work. That's it. It has a gasket inside. A rubber gasket. Okay.